An ordinary crib, made completely without fossil fuels. It's Vattenfall's ambition to enable fossil-free living within one generation. To find out just how far we need to go, we set out to create the first item that the next generation will need. We eliminated the use of coal, oil and gas from the entire manufacturing process. This forced us to completely rethink its design, transportation and production. After months of research and dead ends, testing and failure, we finally had all the materials. Today, this crib is unique. But our goal is that the next generation who sleeps in it is born into a world where fossil-free is the standard.